Here's something e-bike manufacturers will never tell you. 87% of e-bike owners unknowingly destroy their batteries within the first 6 months. And no, it's not user error, it's because of habits that seem helpful, but are actually killing your bike. Picture this, you're excited about your brand new Lectric XP 4.0, enjoying smooth commutes and saving money. Then suddenly, you're staring at a $600 battery replacement bill before your first year's even up. In this video, I'm revealing the 13 mistakes that are silently destroying your e-bike. And trust me, number 1 will shock you. It's something 95% of riders do every single night, thinking they're taking care of their bike. Stay till the end, because this isn't just maintenance talk, it's your guide to keeping your investment safe from costly damage. Let's start our countdown from number 13 to the number 1 worst mistake that's draining your wallet and killing your ride. Lectric XP 4.0 Weight Limit Warning. The Lectric XP 4.0 supports about 300 pounds combined weight. Add too much cargo or a second passenger, and you're forcing the motor to pull excess current. That means heat buildup, strain on bearings, and faster wear. Stay under the limit to protect your frame and motor. Himiway Zebra. Overcharging the battery. The Himiway Zebra's 960WH Samsung battery is powerful, but leaving it plugged in overnight cooks its cells slowly. Always unplug after full charge or use a timer. This simple habit adds up to 18 months of extra battery life. Ride 1UP 700 series using the wrong charger. The Ride 1UP 700 series uses a 48V15A charger designed for its specific BMS. Using a random third-party charger can destroy that balance and even risk fire. Stick to the official charger. Replacements are cheap, batteries are not. Heybike Mars 2.0 Neglecting cleaning. The Heybike Mars 2.0 is built for rugged rides, but dirt and water near its folding joints and motor housing lead to corrosion and loose connections. Wipe it down weekly, avoid high-pressure water, and protect those fold points. RadRunner 2 Incorrect tire pressure. The RadRunner 2's 20 by 3.3-inch tires are great for stability, but low PSI burns battery life fast. Keep pressure around 30 to 35 PSI for city rides. That small step saves range and improves handling instantly. Engwe M20 Overusing throttle. The Engwe M20 has dual batteries and motorcycle-style throttle, but throttle-only riding overheats the motor fast. Switch between pedal assist levels to share the load. You'll save battery power and keep your motor cool for longer rides. Velotric Discover 2 Extreme temperature charging. Charging your Velotric Discover 2 below 0 degrees Celsius or above 38 degrees Celsius kills its battery health quickly. Always charge indoors at room temperature. Your cells will thank you with longer lifespan and stable performance.